go. Come on. You ready? Everybody coming. All four? Okay, how you doing, sir? What's your name? Pablo. Pablo, make some noise! What's your name? Make some noise! Okay, the person that goes to the next round, you will decide. DJ, are you ready? Party people, are you ready? Girlfriend, you know I'm sorry. Remember we used to play Atari? Okay, everybody, make some noise for dancer number 1. Make some noise for dancer number 2. And you are going to the bumping around, all right. One more time, make some noise for the lady. And we got the next 2. Are you ready? Hello, what's your name? Make some noise for Winnie! What's your name? Mario. Make some noise for Mario! Are you ready? Are you ready? Party people, are you ready? Okay! Let's go! Really called Gooby. Yo, money, want your makeup man. Make sure your makeup man. You ain't done your makeup man. DJ Jerry makeup man. Gooby, your makeup man. That's good. Bye-bye. Make some noise for dancer number 1. Make some noise for dancer number 2. Mario. What you say, guys? You think she should win? Mario. Okay, the final battle for the winner, for the new Mitsubishi S-Lite. We need both dancers on stage. Are you ready? Y'all want this, huh? Y'all ready? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, final round. Okay, Pablo. You need space. You need space, man.
Die guy is wel goed,
You need space, because y'all gonna be like, okay, don't kick him. Don't kick him. Watch your feet. Okay. Hey, should they go one at a time? One at a time. You want them to go one at a time? Or you want them to battle? One at a time? Or battle? Battle? You want to battle? DJ, let's go! But you know there can only be one. So you are the judge tonight who takes home the Nintendo. Good job, I say good job, man. Good job, man, for sure. Make some noise for dancer number 1. Make some noise for dancer number 2. What you say, DJ? Number 1. Number 2. There's dancer number 1. Beautiful people. We love the love tonight. We have some beautiful people in the place. He's your Antonio Lauren. I'm MC Ambush. If you're ready to party, if you're ready to keep on rocking, everybody put your hands in the air. Let's go, DJ. Time to get drunk. Yeah.